Hey, what's up YouTube? This is my toolbox tour. My two top boxes are Craftsman, and the bottom box is Task Force. So let's get started. In the top here, we have gloves, glasses, some RC stuff. That's about it. And my magnetic trays and flashlight. This drawer is pliers and a Craftsman Made in USA crescent wrench and some. These are pretty good. These are made in USA too. And then this drawer is, there's not a lot in here. Just got my picks, spark plug gapper, and some tire checking things. This drawer is Allen's. Got a lot of Allen stuff. This is for my RC cars. One of them's right there. And then this drawer is SAE wrenches. I got gear wrenches over here, stubbies, flare nut. And then there's these things from Lowe's called Power Cross. I got ratcheting and non-ratcheting. Next drawer is metric. The same. Power Cross, gear wrench, stubbies, flare nut. This is screw gun stuff. I got a PS60E, I think it's called. PS21 by Bosch, and a PS41 impact charger and some adapters for sockets. And this is 1/4 inch drive. Got some extensions, a swivel, 72 tooth teardrop ratchet. Got the same thing here, swivel. I got a 1/2 inch to 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter, 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. Fun stuff. This is my 1/2 inch drawer. I got 2 1/2 inch ratchets. Got a big kit that came with a bunch of stuff. Got 2 swivels, breaker bar, some bigger sockets up here, an impact socket, 2 of each extension because it came in a kit. And then up here I got some random carabiners, plumb bob, a bunch of screw tips, WD-40. And this drawer is screwdrivers and tape and files and measurement stuff. So yeah, I got this for free. This whole bottom box was free. I got it free from my friend, and it came with a lot of tools in it. So this drawer is air stuff. I don't have a lot of air stuff right now. Tire filler, a couple fittings. This drawer is clipboard and engraver, and got this Craftsman engraver. Looks pretty good. This drawer is more heavy stuff. Some clamps, funnels because they fit in this drawer. This little 6-point socket set, and a blowtorch. And the bottom drawer is my work shirt, my drill bag, my rubber mallet, my regular hammer, and my other rubber mallet. And then over in here I got a little slide lock thing, screw tip, a connecting rod. So yeah, that's my toolbox. So yeah, and that's pretty much all my stuff. The stuff in this 1/2 inch drawer, these right here and this ratchet came in a big kit. I got these extensions separate, and then this came in a big kit with a bunch of sockets, and it's all 6-point. 6-point. So that's why I got it, because 6-point, you need 6-point and 1/2 inch. And then, yeah, and then I got a 1/2 inch to 3/8. So this is like basically my, this is my beginners, well, not really beginners, intermediate to advanced home mechanics tool box, I guess. So yeah, I got this oil filter wrench for free in USA. It's for bigger vehicles like diesels and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, tell me you hate me, tell me you're jealous, tell me I suck at working on cars, or my tools are too clean, whatever. Later.